Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to go through a Canva t-shirt design tutorial, and what you want to do, if you haven't done so already, is sign up to canva.com for a free account. Get that set up, and if at any time you want to pause this video later to follow along the steps I'm going through, feel free. So what we'll do is we'll design a t-shirt today for Merch by Amazon, which is Amazon's print-on-demand t-shirt arm. So the first thing we need to do, once you set up your Canva account, of course, is go to Merch by Amazon, and I've got here the link, which I can include in the description below later. Basically, you can download the t-shirt template, but the important thing here is we are going to set up our template on Canva using this size, 4500, that's the width, and 5400, that's the height. Okay, now that's the first thing. So let's go ahead to our Canva account, create a design, custom design. So the width was 4500, the height was 5400. Create a new design, and feel free to label it. So you might do 4500 pixels by 5400 pixel t-shirt design. So call it something that you want. What I like to do, and we've been sticking to a lore theme niche so far, so maybe we can do t-shirts, and you can actually have a look through what people already do. Now this is quite a popular one, so you could just click on the template and it'll pull it up. What I've done is I've actually pulled up on Google and typed in motivational lore quotes. Okay, now I'm not suggesting you just lift anything up and copy it, but it's nice to get some inspiration. Be the energy you want to attract, or how bad you want it. Justice. See, something plain like justice. So let's, if we wanted to do something like that, we could always just lift that and just put that and just copy that, just that one word. So this would be justice, and then you can, you want to copy that and paste it, and just repeat that, paste it. So there we go. It really is that simple. You may want to choose something with a different style, a different wording. This is what Canva has suggested. It's got multiple fonts, it's got multiple colors. Feel free to take a look and see if there's a different theme that you like. Finally legal, that might be for someone who's turning of age, or 18, but you can always say finally legally qualified if you like. So feel free to do some kind of Google search to see what gets your creative juices flowing, and take it from there. I find it so useful to have a scroll through what Canva's templates have to offer. Daddy, so it might be lawyer, established, whatever the date is, and that might be a perfect gift for someone. So definitely feel free to play with this. Now I would definitely stick with the black background, because that the black background t-shirts are the ones that sell the most. So if you are planning to sell it through some other print-on-demand site, feel free. But it's just something useful to know that the background is the most useful. So once you've got that, again, download whatever format you want. Now Merch by Amazon specifically says they want a transparent PNG, so you need to go on PNG and click on download. So there we have it. Under 5 minutes, a Canva tutorial on how to design a t-shirt. I hope you all have a good day. Please like, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, and I shall see you in the next video.